If 2x plus 3y is equal to 12 and 4x squared plus 9y squared is equal to 72, what is the value of xy? So, ang gagawin natin, square natin tong first equation. So, i-square natin tong both side. So, ito magiging square ng, so, i-recall natin tong a, so, recall natin to ha. Ito ay a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. So, kaya ito ay magiging 4x squared plus 2 times 2x times 3y is 6xy plus square nito 9y squared is equal to 144. 144 itong 12 squared. Ngayon, ang hinahanap natin itong xy. Tapos kung mapansin nyo, may value itong 4x squared at saka 9y squared is equal to 72. So, yan, simplify natin to. Yan ay magiging 12xy. Ito ay 72 plus 72 is equal to 144. So, ilipat natin itong 72 sa kabila. Ito magiging 12xy is equal to 144 minus 72. Magiging 12xy is equal to 144 minus 72 is 72. Ito ang hinahanap natin, kaya divide natin both side by 12. Kaya ang value ng xy ay 6